Your Excellency Abdul Muhammad Ali Gaz, President of Puntland, Honorable Ahmed Ali Hashi, Puntland Parliament House of Speaker, Excellencies, Ministers, land leaders, religion leaders, business community, invited guests, and the UN agency representatives. First, I would like to express my gratitude to be with you today. As you all know, the Federal Democratic Republic of Ethiopia Consulate General Office has playing a role in strengthening the two peoples expressed relation in to further strong. For our efforts, we have begun air transport connection from Addis Ababa to Garowe 2 days per week. Further, we are working to facilitate fish products and fresh vegetable and fruits trade. Your Excellencies, I assure you that the Consulate General Office will stand on this issue, and I full confidence with the deliberation that this conference will deliver. Thank you very much for your attention.